Thank everybody out there for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. As you guys can see, I am JFK, man. I am back, and I got somebody here with me again.
Hello, guys.
So this is my son, man. Today we are going to be busting open a box. What are we going to be showing these guys in this box?
We're going to be showing some comics.
All right, some cool comics, okay? Some very, very cool comics. So first and foremost, man, we just got back from Florida not too long ago. And actually, while I was away, I went for my birthday. Of course, I took my son with me. But one of my favorite artists, man, one of my favorite artists in the world, I reached out to him a couple years back. So we've had a, somewhat of a relationship for the last few years. And he's a great guy, man. And he gave me some great prices on some books. Of course, they were not free. But he flew me a package, man. And I am just super, super thankful. So, Mike, if you are watching this, of course, I'm going to send it to him. So everybody in the comments, say hey to Mike debalfo. But thank you so much. Say hey, Mr. Mike.
Hey, Mr. Mike.
So I want to say thank you so much. He is actually the artist responsible for a cover right here. This is one of the very, very few pieces he is responsible for. So as you guys see, this is a scorpion. How you feel about this?
That's fire. Speaking of fire.
That's fire. Speaking of fire, you see what I'm saying? Speaking of the fire, you see what I'm saying? But yo, listen, man, I want to thank him so much just for being an amazing dude, a great artist. He's a great dude, man. And this box right here, ladies and gentlemen, is what I'm going to be unveiling for you guys. So let's get straight to it. Again, he's one of my favorite artists. And like I said, I have over 100 of his books. I've been buying his books literally for years. So let's get straight to it. And of course, I don't know if he noticed this. Mike, I don't know if you noticed this or not, but my favorite color is green for everybody out there watching. So whether you're watching this for the content, maybe you're just watching this for me. Either way, thank you guys. Thank the people out there.
Oh, my dad.
So as you guys can see, he did me justice, man. He definitely he packed this extremely well done. Extremely well done. You guys can see on this side it says, "Happy birthday, bud." So yo, Mike, thanks again, man. Seriously. I really appreciate the love. And again, this is not cheap. This is not a cheap book box that I'm opening, so you guys know. This is definitely a pretty penny. Gave me $1,000 in here, so well, value is more than. I'm gonna let y'all know what I paid for. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I busted down. I split some of it here, some of it there, but man, this is heavily bubble wrapped. You guys can see that's how important it is. So you gotta rock with me. Rock with me. Give me 1 second. Talk to the people. Keep them entertained, man.
Tell them 1 second. 1 second.
Tell them what you like. What are some of your favorite things? You got any favorite heroes or
favorite
games?
I like a lot of things. Let's start off. Let's start off with something.
Let's start there.
Let's start off with something we just saw.
Let's start there. First and foremost, Mike, thank you so fucking much, man. He flew me this book. Now I just listen. Let's start there. I just showed y'all this cover because I've been searching for it. This is a raw copy. This is what you call raw. This is a raw copy of this book. This is a graded copy. As you guys can see, it is encapsulated. Already a 9.8, signed by him. I hate this crazy because I love him so much. He's such a good dude. I say it 80 million times, but I hate his signature. So I have him sign it like a kanji, kind of like Japanese way that he signs. But either way, you can hardly even see it. You can hardly see it, but it is there, ladies and gentlemen. It is there. So we might have to do my special signature on this one right here. We might, but oh my God, son, thank you first and foremost. Want to hold that? He can't damage it. It's graded. So you see, I don't really hand him the raw books too much, right? So let's get straight into the rest of this package, man. Yo, it's made my day. It's definitely already made my day. But he flew me this for my birthday, and again, I was actually gone. I was in Florida, so when I got back, he kind of delayed on waiting. And I believe he went on vacation too. So we're gonna get to the rest of these books right here.
All right.
Try not to keep you guys waiting. I got so much bubble wrap over here. It's crazy. All right, so hang on. Let's open it from this side. This side. Now let's see what we got. First and foremost, this is the first one that I pull out, ladies and gentlemen. And when I say pull out, I mean this is one of the things you kind of don't want to pull out too often. Just look at the amazingness. But again, Mike debalfo, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not familiar, yes, you guys see that, right? That's a $100 price tag, right? That's a $100 book, right? That's a $100 book. That's what he had it at. Now this is a special edition that the company sends to him. As you guys see, his initials are down here. This is what you call an AP. AP stands for artist. The artist proof. It's the artist edition. This right here was, I believe, $400. This right here is a sketch. This is just, listen, I ain't gonna talk to you guys too much. Just talk about amazing artwork. Now, he drew this from hand. When he showed it to me, I needed it ASAP. Growing up as a kid, my mother used to watch X-Men with me, and her favorite character was, of course, Storm. So I feel like this is a book I actually might end up giving to my mom, but just due to the immaculateness, just how great this artwork is.
Man, that is crazy good.
Yo, Mike, thank you, man. Just listen, Mike debalfo, man. If you guys are not familiar with him, Mike debalfo, definitely go check him out. Definitely follow some of his work. But, and ladies and gentlemen, I know what you're thinking. Like, didn't I just showed you this. I did, but I ain't show you this one. What you think about this?
That's crazy. It's like fire.
This is metal. This is a metal cover. Yeah, this is a metal cover. That's the difference. This is regular. This is the regular version. Well, not the regular version because it's still the AP. This, as you guys can see, is dancing a little bit. This is a metal cover. It's a metal plated cover. So as you guys see, it still has AP on it because this is a artist-proof book. So again, you want some APs, man. The only way to get them is to reach out to the artist, again, unless you work for the company. So last but not least, in this amazing, immaculate ass package, this is also a metal cover. You gotta excuse it, you know how guys be in the town. But this is also metal. As you guys see, that says $225 on there. That was the initial price tag because this book alone, I believe this was a chase book. There's only 15 of these made. And I'm gonna let you see what it says exactly on there. This is not my opinion. This is not how I feel. This is directly what it states. As you guys see, limited to just 15 serial numbered copies. 15. So this is the AP version, which means it came directly from Mike debalfo himself. So there's probably 3 of these or something like that. But it says 15 on a commemorative card, the information certificate of authenticity, as you guys can see. So what can I say to you guys? This has to get blue label. Yo, Matt, my guy Matt and Kelly, if you watching this, I can't yellow label this, bro. I can't. Let's start there. Let's start there. Do your homework, bro. I can't yellow label an all blue and white book, bro. I can't. Again, we can't gangbang on books. I can't get a yellow label on that, man. You see what I'm saying? But listen, thank you guys for tuning in. That was a birthday box that I got from Mike. Mike, thank you so much, man. I super appreciate the love. What you want to tell me?
All right, stay safe out there, guys. Hit the notification bell, and we don't have to tell you, but you can subscribe if you want.
He's a professional YouTuber. You know what kids be doing all day. Let's start there. So peace and love. As he said, go ahead and hit the subscription button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, definitely do so. I'm full of surprises. I got other stuff in the works I'll be showing you guys pretty soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, stay fresh, stay fly, stay unique, stay yourself. And yo, this is JFK from JFK'S Way. Peace and love. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.